As it says in the rhyme, little virtues do not shun, thinking that no gain is won. For drops of rain from cloud and sky will fill an ocean by and by. And little faults do not ignore, and think there is no ill in store. A spark, though tiny it may burn, a mountain of dry grass to ash will turn. All as it is written in the Bodhicharyavatara. All those who harbor evil in their minds against such lords of generosity, the Buddha's heirs will stay in hell, the Mighty One has said, for ages equal to the moments of their malice. A tiny seed, no bigger than a mustard grain, can give rise to an ashota tree, which when it is fully grown, has branches measuring a league in length. But even this example gives no idea of how, in the karmic process, positive and negative effects increase out of all proportion to their causes.